Hello everyone, my name is YUCa. I'm a home cooking chef and recipe creator. I'm also a mother of 2 children and 2 toy poodles. Hello everyone, welcome to YUCa Japanese Cooking. So today, it's a vlog. And do you know where we are going? And today, I'm going to visit the Kappabashi Kitchenware town, which is my favorite area in Tokyo. I was so surprised that my previous Kappabashi video is so popular. This is one of the most reviewed video in my channel. I'm happy that since I'm a home cooking chef, so I'll guide you the other area and other shops of Kappabashi area. So let's go! It seems Sui-chan is also excited. Okay, let's start from the taiyaki. Taiyaki is a fish-shaped waffle. And I have a recipe on my channel, so I hope you enjoyed. Okay, next, something unique. Oh, this one. It's a roaster. You can roast sesame seeds, beans, ginkgo nuts, and hojicha. And this is a mesh skimmer. I use this when I do tempura or to take out scums. And those are kanban signboards. It says open, welcome to the store, and in business, with different calligraphic styles. Which one do you like? Look at those beautiful plates. I see some plates that I have. I wish I could buy all of them. It's good news. They will ship worldwide. And those are food shape erasers. Why not? And this is rice scoop. Shamuji. Very convenient. It's standable. And those are ramen bowls. I like dark and deep ramen bowls. How about you? Seido came from China. We use sometimes in Japan. I use seido for chawanmushi, egg pudding recipe. Please check the video how to use it. It's very unique. This is an iron bowl. If you cook with this, you can get iron to your body. Who is interested in? This tempura nabe looks so handy and easy to wash. I might buy one. And I'm always looking for the perfect kibera, wooden spatula. It's easy to cook with, and also you can use as a spatula. I really love wood materials. I recommend to have this pan to make Japanese omelets. You can also use them as a mini fry pan. This is a branding iron. I've seen them on the surface of Japanese sweets or even cutting board. And this chestnut shape is so cute. The name of this basket came from Tsukiji Fish Market. I have some and they are so light and strong. If you're looking for a modern design, functional cookwares, I recommend this shop. Before entering, put the face mask on. Okay, let's go! There are also miscellaneous goods that look good on Instagram today. For example, even greater, there are so many kinds. This skewer, tawashi, is very common in Japanese kitchen. For example, washing vegetables. I remember many of my cooking class guests asked me where to buy the tea whisk. This ladle looks so stylish, don't you think so? There are 2 floors, so many more to see. I can spend more than 1 hour in this shop, but I have to go. Let's keep walking. I always like the entrance of this shop. It's so cool. When I go there, I usually go inside and buy small plates, which is called mamezara in Japanese. Mamezara is a small dish used for kaiseki meals. I think the style of serving kids' meal is very unique here in Japan. My son likes trains, so I have 3 of them. Maybe it's too much. My favorite shop was closed for a while, but please check my previous video. How's the video so far? Sui-chan seems okay. There are more unique kitchen gadgets here, so let's keep walking. And this wappa is an artifact from Akita Prefecture. And for ramen lovers, it's for you! I use those in my ramen class. If you're interested in virtual cooking class, please check my website. Let's cook together. Some of you might remember, but I use this to make oyakodon. This pan is good for making baby foods. It's so easy. You can make one by one. To make perfect onigiri, rice bowl, and sushi, I recommend this product. And this hanging flag says ice cubes, and those are machines to make them. We normally see them at restaurants. And you can do barbecue on top of the stones. Many of you are Japanese food lovers, so I'm sure you've seen this one. There's food samples of octopus. Food samples are everywhere. I found the sword-shaped scissors, maybe only in Japan. And there are several shops that sells Japanese knife. And to talk about knife, it might be long. I recommend to buy the santoku knife for daily use. I think it's best to actually pick it up, try cutting, and find the best one with store stuff. There are so many specialty shops in this Kappabashi area, and this shop is famous for shiki, lacquerwares. There are trays, chopstick rests, and chopsticks, serving kettle for soba noodle soup. There's even bento box with wearing kimono. Let's discover something fun. Those are kabuki and ninja bowls, and these are sesame grinder I used for potato salad recently. And some of these teacups, you can learn sushi and the name of the fish. Guess what? Those are the plates you see at the chain sushi restaurants. How about buying for souvenirs? And I get so excited to see those kitchen tools. I think kitchen tools makes cooking more enjoyable and also save time and makes you be creative. At the restaurant, we see this kind of partition to have a social distance. For baking lovers, I recommend this shop. I like their design. And some of you have joined my cooking class. I'm sure you saw my original chopsticks. And I made the chopsticks at this shop. Hashito Honten. This is a specialty shop for chopsticks. So if you want to buy chopsticks and have your name on it, I recommend this shop. I'm sure you're surprised to see the range of chopsticks. And the last information, you can buy kitchen gadgets in Kappabashi and also the seasonings and ingredients. I bought several spices for my curry roux recipe here. Thank you for watching, everyone. How was the vlog? I hope you enjoyed. If you like this video, please don't forget to give big thumbs up. Please also subscribe my channel and turn on notifications so that you will not miss the information. And of course, please feel free to comment and message me. See you! Mata ne!